The figurine known as the Votary, Museum number HM65. 2. The Discovery and Reconstruction. Arthur Evans investigated the cavities he termed the temple repositories in the west wing of the Palace at Knossos in 1903. His team uncovered 2 deep storage pits under the stone-flagged floor, the East Temple repository being 2 metres by 1.5 metres and over 1.5 metres deep, well constructed, stone-lined, and fitted with dowel holes for attachments or shelves. The assemblage appeared to be ritual. The finds were deliberately entombed there, arranged by material, after being damaged. Over 200 faience objects come from this context, the highest concentration from a known creek found so far. These were mostly found at the bottom of the East Temple repository, which was covered by over a metre of fill, vases, and red earth. They were broken, probably before being sealed in their place of rest. There is evidence for 5 to 6 faience figurines altogether, including 3 additional left arms, one with snakes, and a further left hand. Numerous other riches were in this assemblage: hundreds of shells, clay and stone vessels, clay seal impressions, linear inscriptions, and animal bones. No head was found for this figure. The hat was very fragmentary, with Evans describing the decoration as rose-like, although evidence for this or any flower is minimal. The feline is original and may have been attached to something like the hat. The top of the surviving hat fragment had a small rivet hole, and Evans mentioned a matching stud on the bottom of the spotted cat-like creature. It is believed that the feline animal came from this deposit, but it is not referred to in the initial field notes or publication. Excavation simultaneously destroys context as it reveals it, and, because of incomplete records, we cannot now reconstruct the full course of discovery to explain the inconsistencies between the field notebooks and various stages of publication. Evans illustrated her without her head and left arm in his earliest publications. The Danish artist, Helga Bagge, restored her skirt to support her, about a third of which, including 6 of the 7 flounces, survived. Her breasts are original. Following the second stage of reconstruction, in 1903 to 1905, she was furnished with a new head and arm. Radiography has revealed the metal wire used to attach the new and old fragments, such as her head to chest. Her surviving right hand holds a thin, striped object, interpreted as a broken snake and restored in the first stage of the reconstruction. This is the only possible snake fragment associated with this figurine, and other interpretations have been suggested. Perhaps it is a rope. As her left forearm and hand are modern, this snake is also a reconstruction. Her physical reconstructions have been extensive, including elements that are key to the iconic silhouette of this figurine, namely her head, arm, and the snakes. Her status is unclear. Evans labels her the Votary, a supplicant figure, but she is now imagined as a snake goddess.